Back to the basics today, sandwich fans. We're going to make a peanut butter and jam sandwich. First, we'll need some peanut butter. I prefer crunchy. Jam, I prefer raspberry. We're also going to butter both pieces of bread with this butter. And we need those 2 pieces of bread as well. I'm using white bread. The first step, which is optional, is to butter both sides of your bread. It appeases the English and tastes pretty good as well. Once both sides are sufficiently slathered, we continue to slather, but this time with peanut butter. Peanut butter on the right side of the bread. Get it all to the edges, jam on the left side. Spread evenly and consistently, but not quite all the way to the edge so it doesn't leak out all over your fingers. If you'd like to know the difference between jams and jellies, jam is fruit, jelly is juice. Next, we sandwich both sides together, using sandwich as a verb. Et voila! You've made one of the most basic sandwiches you can make, the peanut butter and raspberry jam. Cut diagonally and reveal. Looks like lunch to me. Use any kind of nut butter you wish. Peanut, almond, hazelnut, sunflower seed, and any jam or jelly as well. Grape, strawberry, whatever. Anyway, time for the taste test. If you've followed these steps correctly, you will have successfully made a sweet, salty, and delicious sandwich. This has been a crunchy peanut butter and raspberry jam sandwich with Sandwich Dad. Good day!